everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to turn on captions for shorts watch on YouTube. There's a particular YouTube short you want to watch, but you want the captions, you want to be able to read what they're saying. So the first thing you need to do is you open the short like this, you tap on the three dots at the top right corner and you see the option for captions, and then you can see you choose to say I want it in English, and then when you play,
the girl with the bad haircut, get out here.
You see the caption right here. So that's it. Now note that this doesn't work for all shorts. Some shorts captions are not available. For example, let's look at this one. You tap on the three dots, you can see the option for shorts is not highlighted. So it is dimmed because it is not available. So you can only do this for shorts that the caption shows.
Do you need money?
You can see. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful.